Like I said, it's like in the
We're
lobby,
live
huh?
on YouTube.
Okay.
I'm just muting us for a second. Maybe. What about this one? Does that one sound different?
Yeah. You sound a little louder.
Maybe.
Oh, hold
What
on.
about this one?
Oh, there you go. I
Does that
should
one
be
sound
able to
different?
hear us now.
You're really, really loud.
Yeah. Oh,
You
I
sound
don't
a
have
little
control
louder.
over anything, so that was me hearing the other thing.
So what about now? Can you still hear me?
Yeah.
Cool. So I can hear y'all now. Oh, great. Hey, appreciate that, C's. Hey, did anybody tell you what happened yesterday, Caesar? I scratched an expensive piece on your fantasy team. Yeah. Anyway, I don't know. I don't know why it's not letting you log into it. I have not a slightest of ideas because it doesn't even let me log into it.
Yeah, I don't know. Strange. Strange stuff.
If everybody's able to hear. Okay, so what?
Caesar could hear. Enzo's gonna talk. I'll play Mortal Kombat.
Oh, okay. Get over here. Isn't that one Sub-Zero, something like that?
Yeah, something like that.
Oh, yeah, something. What's concerning to me though is the fact that we have 3 people watching. Something's not right.
Well, this is what happens when we had to break it up. You know what I mean? And I don't know. People might have assumed that we were just going to take the rest of the day to work on this and get it right, get it tight.
Get it
Oh,
right.
good.
Get it
We got
tight.
Caesar here. That's all that matters. We got
Very
Lobo.
true.
We got Grumpy.
We've been up for 9 minutes.
You've
Shall
been
I
able to
defend
hear
it?
us for 2, so
Yeah, don't
you
worry
didn't
about it.
miss much.
I'm looking at Marathon to break to the upside, but it's probably going to get rejected. Oh, man. I'm sorry, but if you don't gas me up, I don't know. I don't know, man. That's going back to 533% right now.
I told you, come 1,000 or 1,000% or bigger.
That's just disrespectful.
I should have bought more. So this guy tells me, all right, since it's small company here, we can be candid. He tells me an exact thing to buy, and you know I don't like to really just like listen to him and blindly buy stuff. But when they're
Those are 600% up again.
when
Let's
they're like
go.
$10, I'm like, okay. Well, actually, they were 15 when he told me. They were 15, and I bought 2 of them. And then I was pissed at them because they went down to 8 cents. Then they went down to 7 cents. And then he says to me, if I was you, I would buy. Now, this is all not financial advice. He says, if I was you, I would buy as many as you can right now at $7, even $8. He says, I would buy them at 8. So I didn't go nuts with it. I bought like 5 more, ended up with 8 altogether. And they expire tomorrow too, and these things are worth like $60 each now. And I was able to say I sold all the way on the way up. The cheapest ones because when it was all said and done, I owned them for less than $10 and sold them.
I wish that I could magic mic something. I wish that you guys could see how absolutely ridiculous I act. I act like a child.
Oh, Grumpy, you had to go subject yourself to terrible stuff on. Well, pretty soon, Grumpy, we're gonna have custom-ish for you to watch when we're gone and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, he was talking pretty nasty about you the other day, Grumpy. He said that his camel wanted to do some pretty lewd behavior.
Mm-hmm.
It's very, very, very disturbing human being. We love Doors though. By the way, would you like to know the Muffin Man?
No, I'd like to know how to get this back to how we had it earlier.
Me too.
That's what I want to know.
I can't go and get to I literally cannot go and get to the green room other than that's the thing that I was sending you earlier, all like the entire time. So I'm so confused on how that went.
You and me both.
Update stream.
Like, I can't do anything now. And he's gone. Maybe I'm gone. Oh, he's gone. So it's just me. Lonely. I'm so lonely. Thank you for bearing with us, folks. We're having a slight degree of technical difficulty right now, but we will be back with you in no time. Unfortunately it is, Ron. Unfortunately it is. This is the definition of that saying, what can go wrong will go wrong.
Okay, that's interesting. You can update the stream. Okay, you can update the stream like that. I don't know. I could log out. If I log out, that'd be probably the. Doesn't make any sense. This doesn't make any sense. Like I don't know how to get it back. I don't know how to get it back. Like
we're actually preparing to descend, Ron.
no,
So
this is the rapture for all I'm concerned.
Keep your arms and legs inside the aisle and remain seated. Keep the seatbelt buckled.
I mean, yeah, you're gonna fall out of the cart if you don't. Because when I click on anything right now, all it tells me is that you're live. I have the ability to update the stream, which I know how to do that now.
I'm not sure what a cocaine bear is, Lobo. I'll have to look into that.
I need to know immediately.
I don't know if you guys can hear me. Type 1. Enzo, can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Anybody? Give me a 2 if you can hear me.
What the This is fucking...
One, you can hear me?
Yeah, Ron,
yeah, it's been a tough weekend, Ron. It's been a tough weekend. Enzo was left with a piece of green felt.
Randy, what are you doing? You don't even know what you're hitting to, do you?
I'm living out back of a Noah's Arcade. But
Playing
we put
at
it all
ping
back
pong?
into the stream, and obviously that didn't pay off yet.
We went backwards.
I'm sorry, guys. What else could I do but laugh? We've just had technical difficulty after technical difficulty, which then seemed like was resolved. But then life came out, and here's some more technical difficulties for you.
I'm truly just.
But comms is up, therefore I'm up.
Can you hear me?
And you know what? We could still finish this day strong, guys. There's 44 minutes of good times to have. Comms is up 32%. You know.
Are you able to hear me right now?
Caesar's feeling good, looking good. Enzo may or may not be talking.
Can you hear me? What
Hey,
what
Birdie
did I do?
Hunter.
What did I do? What?
What's up, buddy? Let's see.
What the fuck? See, now Arctic says that he has both of us. I don't understand this thing, man. I'm gonna start breaking something. I'm trying. I'm really trying to understand this. It's not me being stupid. I promise you. What am I hearing?
I'm back. Enzo, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
You can hear both of us, but we can't hear each other. Why not? Why not?
No, I can hear you.
I can hear you. I can hear you.
So this is like that game that they played on that episode of Fresh Prince to see if they were best friends. When the one had to go in the soundproof box and the other one had to answer questions.
Can you hear me? You can't hear me other than Discord, right?
Now I could hear you. I couldn't hear you at all.
You're hearing me on Discord.
I guess. Yeah.
Can everybody still hear me in chat? Hey, you got it. You asked for it.
You're about to get those 1,000% options right there, my man. At $83 running.
That is a 1,000% options call out within an hour and a half. Oh. Yes, it echoes. Of course it does.
We're just gonna mime the rest of the show, guys, and
I honestly don't know what to do. Like I What about now? And Enzo has an echo. Lovely.
All right, well, let's see. I give it a little time to adjust.
Can you hear me anymore?
Let us know in the chat if Enzo's echo is still echoing.
I feel like I'm definitely about to smash something.
What about now?
Age of Ultron.
Oh, something just changed. Can you still hear me?
Yep.
What about now? They have to be able to hear us.
Oh, I think they could hear us. I think maybe you're coming through voice, Marty. Sounds good now.
Why do you have to go and update the stream? I'm about to smash this monitor. There's no way.
Hey, you can't make omelet without breaking a few eggs, right?
Oh, I've broken the whole carton and 6 others. I'm about to snap a chicken in half at this point.
Okay, we're both sounding good, looking good, feeling good.
Oh, I mean, yeah, absolutely, absolutely. No, I love this. This is very confusing. Sounds good. Okay, cool. Loki, that's the most beautiful thing I've seen all day. Okay. How are you doing, Loki? You beautiful man. How's everything? Spy right now. By the way, those were 1,000% options. Just calling it like I see it.
All right. Quit living in the past.
No. That's the future. No. I'm the future too, because not only that, but those are still 700% right now.
Hey, what have you done for me lately is the question. Listen, we're living in a material world, dude. I'm a material
world. I'm going to have a stroke.
Listen.
No, Linda. Listen.
Those puts were bought and sold over 45 minutes ago, dude. That's old news. We won. Next one.
I'm gonna just put my rolling chair through the front bay window real quick. Hold please.
Caesar C. Well, we need to turn that day around. People giving you, I knew it. It's a Monday every time, Caesar. Monday after Thanksgiving. Old man Lumbert giving you crap. Wants those TPS reports yesterday. Damn the man, Caesar. Keep that smile. Don't let him get you down. Yeah, so a lot of talk about this cocaine bear.
Wow.
I like
those. What does this consist of again?
We're going for that natural look, Birdie.
Oh no, this is definitely natural. This is Burning Man natural.
Yeah.
Look at these options that I picked up. 383 for the December 2nd. The December 1st, 384s. November 28th, 396. And I did want to bring this to people's attention. Those 396s are going back up. But I did want to bring to somebody's attention the same thing I brought to you, which was those 2-day options. 373 strike price on the SPY.
Maybe somebody knows something.
Well, I'm trying to figure it out.
For when? 2 days? So Wednesday? Let's see.
Yeah. So I was looking at Yeah, I was looking at November 30th. Excuse me. Yeah, November 30th.
So tomorrow morning, so you had Bullard today again. Bullard said
those are going up still.
They're not close to easing the interest rates. Then tomorrow we get home price index, consumer confidence index. Then Wednesday morning we get the ADP employment numbers, gross domestic income, a bunch of Fed talk, job openings. And then Thursday, we get the initial jobless claims, continuous jobless claims, PCE price index. And then Friday, you get the unemployment rate, non-farm payrolls, and hourly earnings data. Bum, bum, bum.
I got a quick little 25 piece off the SPY puts I had from a couple minutes ago. I'm sorry I've messed everything up. I told you shouldn't have given me the keys. I just straight wrecked the boat into the dock.
It happens.
Don't nod your head like, maybe. No, it's okay, Enzo. No, I boofed it. It's funny. I don't know. I can't do anything else but laugh. We're gonna figure it out though before it kills me. I have a little bit more stamina, but this bird is about to get removed from that tree. Do you have like really annoying birds in upstate?
No.
No? You don't have the blue-footed booby?
No.
Do you see where the spy's at?
Yep.
Do you see where the spy wants to go?
Yeah.
That thing is screaming to the downside. And it has been for the last hour. I'm looking for some resistance some support at 350 or 395.17. If it wants to, we could go and see this. We could see this sub 392 if it gapped down to some bad news or something like that. But like, I would see this coming at some point.
Your mic's cutting out a little bit.
I'm sorry. I would like this to come back to, I mean, if it would gap under the 390, 420, 394.10 area, that would be cool. But we need a break below 394.50 before that. And we do have support at the 394.80 area. So I'm going to assume this probably ends up somewhere around 393 at the end of the week. But if they wanted to, they could drop this down to 391. If not 379.
Tesla trying to hold a little bit of green. Tesla just about to go red, 182.88. Amazon too. Amazon about to go red.
I suddenly don't want the keys. Oh man, this is painful. I don't know what I did. I don't know. I haven't done anything. Boof City Brick chicken? Okay. Caesar's bricked up.
Mm-hmm.
Building him a Pueblo house out there. Getting some dried bricks. I'm so confused. There's no rhyme or reason. There really isn't. But you know what? I think it's just being like mean to me in general. If Tesla holds here, I would assume that that's probably good, but we're more than likely going to run right back into that 184 area if we can get over the 182. 183.66 in the morning. I would assume this probably tries to come up a little bit, but I don't know that it will. If the market really wants to, it could definitely fade away. Open under 390. Or it could open right back up over 400. But I don't know when you're getting those minutes. If you get them at 8 o'clock, you might get some downside. You might see some trickle into into tomorrow morning.
I think we get that at 8:30.
Cool. Yeah, we broke down under this little.
Oh no! 9 o'clock we get the home price index, and then 10 o'clock we get consumer confidence index.
I would want. I mean, I just look back to history to like August 11th, and I see that big run after August 11th to the top side. I wouldn't be 100% positive that this doesn't just go and break right against us, just like it did off the 419.80 level there. What?
What's up, Gaming with Pie or Tiny, whichever one that is.
Congratulations, Birdie.
Yes, I was just about to read that.
Did you see that?
Oh, nice, Birdie.
DGBI.
Well, I can't wait to hear all about it, Birdman. I will. I'll just say congratulations, and when you have time, you'll be able to tell the fam all about it, including myself.
I gotta take this real quick. Hello.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Again, many apologies for all the technical issues today. I'm at my wit's end. But nonetheless, we will get by. Markets down. Dow Jones down 1.54%, the S&P down 1.69%, and the NASDAQ down 1.79%. So everything getting smacked across the face. I would bring up the heat map if I was able to. But due to conditions beyond my control. NAOV ripping Nanovibronics, Nanovibronics, NAOV up 92%. Just under 50 cents there. Cosmos still up nicely, 57.7 cents on COSM. So we hit a high of 61.68 cents there. DBGI back on the move. So we touched 939, the high. That was this morning on DBGI, now at 775. Yeah, either do or do not, right? There is no try, Aisley. Is that what he says, Mr. Yoda? Okay, Lobo's excited for Raw Night. WWE, good stuff. Good afternoon, my lady. Yes, Com's up 36.5%. Did they have their earnings already come out, or are they after the bell? I think they got earnings today. So don't see any earnings yet on them. Arctic Fox, if you're in there, you may want to be careful with their earnings. It's supposed to come out today. But they're up 36%, just over 11 cents. Taboola, that ran this morning. That's down at 263 now. Nutex, NUTX, that's up 25%. All these stocks under $1 that are up big. Talkspace still up 31%. Yeah, that's why I didn't want to go into it without giving you the time to explain, Birdie. That's why I just said congratulations. Birdie, I wouldn't call it a complete new job opportunity. I would call it an expansion of the job opportunity that you already got. But yes, can't wait to hear about it, but take care of what you got to now. Hey, so you need to sell to pay some rent. Hey, nothing wrong with that. The rent's too damn high, but you know what else it is? It's also due. Checkout time, if not. All right, 22 minutes left before we wrap up this last Monday in November. So just 3 days left, and then we're into the full-blown ho, ho, ho. Here comes Santa Claus. All that. Maybe we get that Santa rally. Maybe we don't. Yeah, I'm not sure, Arctic Fox, what the projections are on the earnings other than I'm seeing a loss of 5 cents per share. Not to say that that's going to kill it. Maybe there could be good earnings, but seeing how much this has been traded today, 144 million trades already against a 34 million average. So roughly 4 to 5 times. Could always be the potential for the buy the rumor, sell the news. And obviously, China still all the talks. Pretty much all the news I watched while we were on break was, for the most part, China related. I didn't know the Guardians of the Galaxy had a Christmas special, Aisley. That's news to me, I gotta say. I did not know that. All right, guys, 20 minutes. What are we waiting for? Guardians of the Galaxy to come on Netflix? I'm so confused. I am so confused. Oh, the new Avatar? Mostly about Kevin Bacon? Okay. All right, Grumpy. I'm pretty sure you're pulling my leg now. Oh, nice, Lobo. Eddie Bravo and Sam Tripoli on Saturday. Beautiful. That should be a great time. That should definitely be a good time. You like that, GTA? As if it hasn't been a day as it is. Here we are, GTA. Me and Enzo started this about 12 hours and 45 minutes ago. Started working on the stream to have it look nowhere near as bad as it does right now. So, hold on. I got to take this phone call now. I'm sorry. They kidnapped Kevin Bacon. Oh, my Lord. All right, guys. What I do need from you real quick. I don't often ask for this, but my nephew, 13-year-old nephew, he's been real sick for the last 3 weeks. Thought it was the flu, the cold, whatever. It was my mom just telling me that he's got pneumonia. So, not that it's the end of the world. I'm sure we can get it out of him, but some thoughts and prayers are always appreciated. Like I said, I don't ask for them often, only in certain situations, but he's he's missed 3 weeks of school. It's not good, but hopefully maybe they found what's going on now. They haven't been able to get answers. He's been to doctors, had all kinds of tests and everything. You want to do the DJ thing on Enzo's head? What? Thank you. Appreciate that. Like I said, he's a little trooper. I'm sure he's going to be just fine. But he carries my surname, so got to he's my little buddy. Appreciate that, Grumpy, Lobo. You guys are awesome. You guys are definitely awesome. But yeah, back to what I was saying, GTA 13 going on 12 hours and 45 minutes. We've been at this. Thank you so much, Birdie Hunter. You know that means the world to me, buddy. And again, you know I don't often ask for that, but that was you know. And we got 16 minutes left here before we wrap up this what turned out to be not the best trading day. Couple things still up there. AVCT holding on to those 23% gains, 118. Hellbiz, another one. Not up where it ran to, but still up 20%, 19%. Make that. Metamaterials not having a good day, so still a lot of talk around the squeeze situation there with MMAT and MMTLP. Grumpy's nuts are down. D-Nut. Grumpy. DNUT. That came out wrong. Sorry, Grumpy. Krispy Kreme down 3.6%. So we broke 16 and then hit the wall. Ran up to 16.06. Back down now at $15.40. D-Lo, another one. D-Lo open green, ran up to 14.68. Now down 8.5%. 13.07 on D-Lo. Caesar C, thank you, my friend. Much appreciated. Your XELA disappointed us today, Caesar. Almost hit that 21-cent mark, hit 20.97 cents. And now all the way back down at 17.62 cents. Still up 1%. I'm sorry, Grumpy. That definitely came out wrong. And I'm making it worse every time I say something more, so we're just gonna leave it there. This is a test run today. How's CEI? I don't know. I could probably get enough change in my couch to sit on the board at this point. But let's check it out. We'll see how it is. Oh, yeah, it's CEI. Oh, you know what? CEI hanging tough. 10.41 cents. Only down 3.5%. I thought it would have fallen below that 10-cent mark, but it's holding tight. Yeah, it could use an EMT for sure. Yeah, so what do you guys think? You think there's a real possibility that Elon makes a phone? I know there's been some buzz about it on Twitter, and if Apple takes certain routes, and even Samsung, you never know. You never know, and then you never know if that's necessarily a good thing. 5-cent CEI, that's when you load the boat. I'll do that. I'll load the boat with you at a nickel. I won't send Nikki to school with lunch money for a week and tell him, hey, we're buying half this company. The compliance thing is going to be an issue, though. GTA, I will say this. I think once it does, I think it'll still be around. I think they'll do a reverse split. Probably some kind of big number, probably 50 to 1, 100 to 1, something like that. But I would look for right after that reverse split, look for it to dip. And I mean, if they do 100 to 1, it brings the float down to like 6 million. Yeah, I don't know why he wouldn't either, but you got to think most of the same stuff is being mined. Batteries, all that stuff. A lot of it, I would think, coincides. And if he really is the Antichrist, allegedly, you got to control the whole communication end of it, right? Not just the Twitter. Yeah, I think a lot of people do that, Lobo. That's a good point too, Acely. I don't know if they're talking about it being like compatible with Starlink. I don't know. How do you even short something that's already short? Like, I don't think you short something when it's down at 10 cents. That margin, there's not a lot more short you could get than that. Figure it out. You got to do the research, GTA. I mean, I'm sure if you just put in how do you short a 10-cent stock, I just don't know if we can do it. We could probably become whales, though. I like where your head's at, GTA. Wait, who wants us to feed him? Elon? I don't mind if Elon eats. Elon can eat. He definitely don't sleep. That guy be tweeting. I mean, we thought Trumpy was bad. The way that he was tweeting all hours of the night. How the hell does this Elon Musk get any work done? Sell for losses till it's nothing. You been reading Wall Street Bets again, GTA? I thought I blocked it on your phone. Stay away. Stay away. Then buy it at Shiba prices. Yeah, Birdie. Birdie Hunter. That video. I forget was he a general? Sergeant? I should know this because he was from the US. But that video that you sent me with the gentleman from Poland doing the interview with the ex-US, like I said, whatever he was, all respect. I'm not sure if he was a general or what it was, but very interesting take. Very interesting take, and I have to think a lot of that was factual. Feed the whole world with 45 million? I thought it was like 6 billion when they were talking about it. When they were saying, like, when the World Hunger Organization or whoever it was put that number, I thought it was in the couple of billion, which in relation is still pretty small. But I've yet to see anybody acely. I've heard these numbers thrown around. I've never seen an actual plan to combat world hunger. So we've heard the numbers, but I don't pretend to have the answer. I'm just saying that we haven't really seen an actual plan set forth. Yeah, but he's got rich friends, I would think. Because I don't know, has it been completely disclosed who how much he actually spent on Twitter? Because I know there's a lot of investors. So I don't think I don't think he spent 44 billion of his own money. All right, 7 minutes, guys. 7 minutes left in this day. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. The Dow now down 1.5%, S&P down 1.6%, NASDAQ down 1.62%. Nothing good. I think Elon has the AI and stuff to be able to run Twitter. I mean, I guess it depends on what your definition of run is. Because it could be going exactly as planned, you know what I mean? Or maybe he is just winging it and just kind of going with the flow. AMC back at 734. Down 2.3%, but maybe we can get a little push here, maybe finish above that high at 744. So not a big area. Only traded between 744 and 712 today. 712 was the low, 744 being the high. So how does that work? The people that bought it, right? Like, people were able to sign up for that Twitter Blue or the new Twitter stuff, right? And then they stopped it. He could be. Who does number 2 work for? Tom Arnold, tell him, man, you gotta just you gotta grab that number 2 and give it hell. Yeah, but what do you think to advertise what, GTA? I can maybe get on board with that, but Tesla doesn't need to be advertised. Tesla, I mean, maybe in the future now that there's going to be competition, but up until now, it's not been a matter of Tesla. It's been a matter of Tesla not having enough cars to sell, not having to advertise to sell more cars. I mean, it could be some kind of scheme in the sense of now he's going to start advertising Starlink on there, things like that, where you're paying yourself, something like that. I could maybe see. We shall see if he can make it profitable. I guess it's different too. The rules are a little different when you're not a public company. You don't have shareholders necessarily. You still have, there are people that are invested. You think he'll sell Tesla like completely, step away from it? Yeah, but if you listen to how he talks about Tesla's profitability in the future, that's why I don't think he'll ever jump ship. When he talks about automation, when he talks about self-driving cars, things like that, and maybe it doesn't turn out the way that he expects, but we got some beta testing and stuff now, and his thing is it's still going to cost the same amount to make that car, but you're going to be able to charge 5 times more for it. And then, he thinks robots are going to be bigger. He thinks the robot's going to be, in his vision, and I don't know how genuine he is when he says this, but his vision, the Tesla car isn't going to be the only thing that moves Tesla. So, all right, guys, 3 minutes left. Be sure to close out any positions you might still be sitting on, anything like that. Don't want to get caught with your pants down, so to speak. And nothing good happening here before the close. AMC back up at 733, looking like it's going to hold right around there within a couple pennies. Awesome, Birdie. Yes, I will. I'll look for you tomorrow morning. If you got any free time, hit me up before we come on here. Have a great night, buddy. And again, very happy for you, my man. Can't wait to hear all about it. But be proud. Go to bed. Even if your soccer teams let you down, still hold your head high. Okay, I could see that, GTA. I think how he talks about Tesla makes it sound small scale in comparison to what he speaks of doing and change he wants to make. That's a valid point. A valid point. Going to Mars. I mean, even just any of the things. If you take the wanting to go to Mars, wanting to do that, just that by itself, and then I mean, in a complete different sense, if he wants to put the time into Twitter to make it what he says it is, all those are full-time jobs. That's always been not a knock, but kind of my one thing that I'm a little leery of him. He's spread a little bit too thin. So yeah, I guess I could see that end. And there's the bell, guys. Oh, we made it. We made it. It's normally not a victory lap at the end of the day. Normally, I'm sad to see the day end. Today, I can't get this day out of here fast enough. Tomorrow will be a better day. And we'll get this tightened up. But we ended the day. What was the final tally? The S&P ended up closing down 1.54%, the NASDAQ down 1.58%, and the Dow down 1.45%. And I got to stay with you guys. I can't even shut the stream off till Enzo comes back. Yeah, but wasn't those holes in the ground supposed to be mass travel for underground people? Whatever happened with that, GTA? I mean, I don't doubt that maybe SpaceX gets there. And hey, as long as we keep funding it, why not? They can make rockets going anywhere. If I was getting that kind of money to launch rockets. Caesar, I'm gonna have a lot of work to do on this stream tonight, but I do have some time. If you'd like to take out some anger on some video game, that would probably be good for me tonight. And Arctic Fox, double check when you get a chance your Activision ID, because I tried to send you a friend request, and then I wasn't sure if it was ARTIC or ARCTIC on your name. I tried both. So yeah, when you get a chance, just double check that. I did try though, brother. I did try. Yeah, the Boring Company is cool, but how much money have they got, and what have we like? Do they have anything functioning yet? And I'm genuinely asking, Lobo, because I live next to a waterfall. They're not drilling holes under my city anytime soon. But I know it's a cool concept. You know, it sounds good in theory, especially when you hear it, when you know his early arguments about it, where it was more to combat people that thought we were going to have flying cars. You know what I mean? So at first it kind of started of an argument of, okay, well, if you're going to have cars go this way, first off, the noise level on any kind of flying cars, then you're not going to be able to stack them. So their thing was, well, you can go lower, you can go underground as low as you want. You don't have to worry about noise. Again, it sounds cool. Hold on, guys. I got to take this. All right. Sorry about that, guys. I think they could be in charge of the Vegas project. I mean, I know they had a couple of things working, Lobo. I thought there was like some talk in Chicago. I'm not sure exactly what it was though. And guys, I'm just staying here as a placeholder. Don't feel like you need to stick around. I can't shut the stream down. So but feel free to go enjoy your night. I'm going to stay here for about 5 more minutes, and then it's going to be Enzo's chair and whatever. But it is Monday night, guys. I'm sure there'll be some Monday night football action in the Discord. Caesar, hit me up. Anybody else wants to play some Call of Duty or something? Hit me up at some point. I used to. I played it for a while, Arctic Fox. I haven't played it in some time. But yeah. Yeah. It's been a while. I don't get a whole lot of time to play. And usually Arctic, for the most part, Nikki decides what games I play. So this is the first game that I've played more with friends. But Nikki plays too. Nikki's better than me. Oh, the new yeah, we haven't played it too much. That's another one. I played it with Nikki a couple times, but then most of the times I've been playing, we've had more than 3 people. I think DMZ you can only play 3 people, right? But Nikki loves it. I think I would like it because there's AI guys and stuff involved. What the hell was I thinking? Oh, you know what I was thinking of when you said DMZ? I was thinking of DayZ. Been a long day, Arctic. Been a long day. And it's just getting longer. Yeah, you can like team up with other teams too, right? You can fight against them, but you could also team up with them to fight juggernauts, I think, and stuff. All right, guys. I am going to go check on my pups. I'll come back again. I can't shut the stream down, so don't feel like you need to stay. But I'm not going to abandon it at the same time. So if I don't talk to you guys, everybody have a great night, and tomorrow I promise you we will be a little bit more on top of things. Okay. I knew there was one. Maybe, yeah. I'm still trying to figure out all the game modes because I've played Warzone. A little bit, but I haven't played like an actual Call of Duty game in a while, like the actual multiplayer. So yeah, let me go check on my dogs real quick, guys, and I will be right back. Like I said, don't feel like you got to stick around. I just don't want to. I don't want to leave anyone unattended, but I do got to check on the baby girl who's not such a baby anymore. Wait till you see that thing. She getting bigger by the day. All right, I'll be right back, guys.